About SceneStorage property wrapper in SwiftUI. SceneStorage property wrapper in SwiftUI. What is SceneStorage property wrapper? A property wrapper type that reads and writes persisted per screen storage. Persisted per screen. So it's simply not simply use of. If you want to save unique data for each of your screens, you should use SwiftUI SceneStorage property wrapper. If you want to save unique data for each of your screens, you should use SwiftUI SceneStorage property wrapper. So first of all, we're gonna create on this SceneStorage command, and suppose which have the command N. So this is which have a SwiftUI view and SceneStorage. So which have the SceneStorage example, which have a SceneStorage example, and we're gonna create on the SceneStorage example. Suppose we're gonna create on this property at the rate SceneStorage. SceneStorage, okay, and we're gonna assign on this. Suppose which have assign on this key, and key is selected item. Suppose which is selected item, okay, and we're gonna select item and var item is equal to, suppose we run 0, and we're gonna create on this vstack, and we're gonna create on this text. So this is a item first, okay, and we're gonna apply on this font weight, and we can apply last title, and we're gonna apply on this in head is. Suppose this is a regular, not apply on this. Suppose this is a red color, we're gonna apply on this. This is a heavy color, it's a bold. We're gonna resume on this application item first, and we're gonna apply on this tag. Suppose which have tag is 0, we're gonna say on this tag is 0, and now what apply on this tag is 0. Tag is 0, 1. When we apply on this tag is 0, we can apply on this command C, and we're gonna apply on this command V, and this command V. Suppose this is 3 tag, and whichever item 2, this is the tag 1, and this is the item 3, and this is the tag 2, and this is the item 4, which have a tag 3, okay. We're gonna apply on the fish tax spacing. Suppose this is spacing is 20, okay, and we're gonna apply on this 20 spacings, and we're gonna run on this project. So tag 0, not apply on this tag 0, not apply on this tag 0. So we can check on this issue. We're gonna bind on this tab view. Bind on this tab view. Suppose this is the tab view. Bind. Notice vstack. This is the tab view, and which have selection bind on this property $item. Okay, and remove on this content. Okay, and this is the content is removed. We're gonna bind on this property. So this check on this issues, and this is bind on select item. So this is the item is 1. This bind on this property item is 1, and we can apply on this tag change on this. Suppose 2 tag, assign this 2. We can resume on this application. This is 2 tag is the item is 3, and item is 3, tag is 2. Tag is 2, item is 3. So we can run on this project. We can run suppose whichever run on this application, and this is a SceneStorage. We're gonna get on the instance SceneStorage, and on this application iPod Touch 7th generation, and we're gonna use of iPod Touch 7th generation. We're gonna check on this tag. Suppose this is tag is 2, item tag is 2, so this is item is 3. Tag item 2, we can check on this element is item is 3. Tag 2 assign on this element, item is 3, okay, and we're gonna run item 3, and we're gonna run on this another. Suppose we have on the another device. Suppose this is iPhone 11. We're gonna run on this applications. This which have on the simulator. Suppose this is we're gonna check on this simulator. So with SwiftUI 2.0 project, we can check on this create video, and we can check on this create video, not create video, which have on this create video. This is the item is 3, and we can check on the item. Suppose change this value. Suppose this is item 2. So item, we can, the item is, suppose this is a 3, we can apply change this tag is 3, 3 is 4 item. We're gonna resume on the application, this is item 3 and this is item 4. We can save on this item, this particular screen, save on this, and this is run on this application, resume on this application, and this is create video, this item is 4. Okay, we can save on this video, this use of save on this video. If you want to save unique data for each of your screens, you should use SwiftUI SceneStorage property wrapper. In SwiftUI, each screen shown your data. This is the use of each storage. Suppose which camera is a iPhone 11, and this is the iPod Touch screen on this iPhone Touch and iPhone 11 use of property. So thank you for watching this video of SceneStorage in SwiftUI property wrapper.